Okay, so some proper safety and sanitation stuff is what I'm gonna go through, and proper like measuring and stuff like that for baking. And so we're gonna preheat the oven. Follow what your recipe says. This one says 350. And you can put your hair up so you don't get any hair on the food. And you pause. Go ahead. So you just want to start off by sanitizing your counter. And then we're gonna get a bowl. When you are baking or cooking, you definitely want to wash your hands and make sure they're thoroughly clean. Get your nails and everything. So, this is a box cake. So there's not a whole lot of measuring to do. But I can example that if it was not a box cake. You can.
I'm so excited to eat her wonderful cake. Cupcakes. Not making healthy choices.
Oh, okay. So, we're just gonna pretend like these are actually like not from a box.
In the real world, you don't get to just pretend that things are real. That's why it's called the real world.
But so this is a 4th cup, and say your recipe calls for 2/4 cups of flour.
That's the cake batter.
Yeah, I know. So you're gonna scoop it and level it off using the back of a knife. 1. Scoop and level nicely. 2. Okay, we're done pretending. You just dump the thing in the bowl. But that is how you measure. And now we're gonna measure our water. So when measuring a liquid, you're gonna want, oh my God. You're gonna wanna get one of these liquid measuring cups. And, you know, set the sink like this. Get it in there. This is hot water. Hot water looks weird. So, you know, fill it up, and to properly measure this, you're gonna wanna set it on the counter and look at the meniscus line and make sure it's hitting the top. And honestly, I'm just perfect, so it is very perfect because I'm perfect. Professional, you know? And then you're gonna wanna get your vegetable oil next for this specific box. Now you're just gonna pour this in here at eye level. It calls for 1/2 cup, so now stop when it gets the meniscus line gets there. Okay. Now sometimes in life, stupid people make things, so like this. 3 egg whites or 3 whole eggs. Well, I'm not stupid, so I'm not wasting my time separating them. And when you're cracking eggs, you're gonna wanna crack them, not on an edge, on a flat surface. Oh. Diamond cracked. Safely dispose. That is getting washed. Oh, I can do 2 at once. This one's already like that, so we'll pretend like it's not. After you crack your eggs on a flat surface rather than an edge, like so done here, you're gonna want to rewash your hands just to not have any cross-contamination happen. Now, time to mix the cake. Do not lick raw eggs or you'll die. Since Halloween and the premiere for the last episodes of The Walking Dead are coming out, we have some festive cupcakes, little blood splatter, fake, not real blood, that would be super unsanitary. And you're just gonna place these in your pan like this.
Sorry.
Make sure you have a clean hand. You're gonna wanna put your batter into the cupcakes and making sure they're all even and not too full or too underfull for them to out well. And honestly, now that she sneezes, we have to throw this all away because that's gross. Ew. So, to the garbage it goes. Sometimes that happens and you have to start over when working in a kitchen. So after restarting over and doing all that again, we're back at the process of scooping these in here. So after you're done baking, you want to wash the dishes. So like you want to start off by rinsing your dishes out first. And we'll come back for our next step. So you want to safely put these in by first grabbing your hot mitt. Okay, just let me do this. It's not safe to record and do it. So first you want to get your hot mitt so you don't burn your hand off. And safely put these in the oven. And set a timer. Alexa!
Oh my god.
Okay. So the next step after rinsing your dishes is you're gonna want to wash your sink out because you always want to make sure you have a clean sink. And I'll come back to you in the next one. So now you want to add hot soapy water into your sink and just start adding dishes in. Now you just scrub away. Okay. Yeah. Now rinse all of your dishes in boiling hot steaming water. Now check your cupcakes by taking a toothpick and checking it's clean. So these are ready to be taken out. I'm gonna grab 2 hot mitts for this. Stay extra safe.
This isn't a safety bit.
Don't listen to her. And set those there in a safe spot to cool. Make sure you shut off your oven. Don't want to burn the house down. Yeah.
You should be.
Okay. Now that the cupcakes have cooled, we're gonna decorate them. I'm gonna add a little food coloring into this and put these fun little things in them and some candies on top. Cupcakes are decorated.